Yes, beautiful views of the water, especially when you're coming out here fishing or at the boat launch here at the Braden boat launch in Whitney, North Carolina. And so we came here not only to get beautiful views of the river, but also to check out an abandoned rail line that's coming back to life. So that right there, past these trees, is old Whitney Road, and so this right here, where I'm zooming in on the train tracks, this right here is where the old Alcoa line was, especially where NSP91 ran on. I'd be curious if P92 ran on this line too. But anyway, when the Alcoa plant closed back in 2006, this reduced the amount of movements on this line, and the last movements on the Alcoa line, this line between the Alcoa plant and Halls Ferry Junction, where P92 runs. Since 2010, there have been no movements on this line. But right now, a new railroad called the Foxville and Northern Railroad has come back to help refurbish the line. And so, when crossing the two railroad crossings on Baden Road, well, one of the two crossings, the single track crossing that's north, was cleared out in both directions. The branches and shrubs were all cleared out, and the free track crossing was just the same. And so past these trees, a couple of rail cars on the siding past those trees, and right there is the diamond for the Alcoa line and the Winston-Salem southbound meet up. And right over there, there's a track working machine with a couple guys working on the tracks, hoping to bring them alive. I'd be curious on how big their project is going to be, because I know that there is another line in New Jersey that's coming back to life, and that is the Southern Secondary, the line where the Blue Comet originally ran. I know the line goes through Lakehurst, New Jersey. But other than that, very surprised to see the Foxville Northern Railroad attempt to bring the Alcoa line back to life. What's that way? Here's another look. And yep, that is the train track that goes down to the Alcoa plant that closed back in 2006. So that right there is the Alcoa branch, and this right here is the Winston-Salem southbound. So yeah, here's another look at those cars. I'd be curious if the Winston-Salem southbound and the Foxville Northern Railroad are gonna signalize this diamond because of the 4 stop signs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. But yep, just a quick update for what's going on with the Alcoa line being brought back to life from the Foxville and Northern Railroad. I'd be curious to see a train come back on this line after 2010 when all movements have been cleared out, and hopefully we'll get a word for when the Foxborough Northern Railroad brings back the Alcoa branch that runs from Hollis Ferry Junction to the Alcoa plant in Baden.